各位老友，你哋好。今日天氣好到冇得頂，抬頭望上去一片雲都冇。一路過來仲聞到空氣中飄住淡淡葡萄酒香。我哋今日嘅目的地，1727年開張嘅 Martha's 酒莊就快到。佢哋見證住波特酒出世，當年到羅河谷為咗海運存酒，先整出呢款加強酒。親自感受到上百年酒莊嘅魅力。而家嚟到咗 Martha's 酒莊，一眼就見到莊園主人正正企定定喺度，着住件沉穩嘅黑色衫。佢對手按實台面，好似認真準備緊啲乜。身後有幾支大樽酒整齊排到好企理，個樽烏卒卒，不過啲光立立令，搞到心喐喐想飲。睇下呢個人形酒樽幾得意，人形樽身配帽仔造型幾盞鬼，旁邊呢個白色紙箱睇起身好有故事感，成套擺出嚟睇落好有心思。見到成排舊酒擺滿木架，支支都鋪滿塵，睇落有番咁上下歷史。雖然舊，但保存得幾好，冇乜破損。綠色樽身仲睇到有隻船仔圖案，每個樽都似係度講唔同故事，有啲新淨，有啲舊，但都係珍藏。特別造型嘅酒樽最係得意，100年歷史就喺呢啲細節度，真係好想逐支慢慢研究。酒莊嘅心思就喺呢啲佈置度，唔同包裝滿足唔同人喜好。旁邊木盒裝住支陳年佳釀，呢邊有個黑色禮盒裝住琥珀色酒，成個包裝睇落好有架勢。最後睇下呢4支酒樽，白樽身畫滿藍色圖案，啲花紋似係度講故仔咁生動，整齊排喺木台上面好出眾。睇完呢啲珍藏，等我哋行去試酒區繼續品味。入試酒區真係驚豔到，黑色金屬吊燈嘅精緻紋路好有味道，成幅巨型玻璃成個畫框咁，通透到好似冇嘢隔住咁。整片葡萄園直入眼底，出面個太陽好猛，坐喺呢度品酒，視野開闊到唔想走。金屬椅有質感，編織椅夠舒服。跟住酒莊嘅主人講，酒窖藏住寶。
We have a bit of our history. So initially we are not calling Vinho do Porto. They were our original bottles that we created in the 70s. This was our original shop. This one, and we're giving tastings from here.
In 1970s?
In the late 70s, yes. That's how we started. Initially we were just selling the port in bulk and the grapes to big companies, and then end of the 70s we started making our own port.
Okay.
Then in the next generation we started to export. In the 80s, beginning of the 90s, so here we have some of the first bottles we exported, and then today we have a bit of everything. So we started only with port, and now we have port, we have muscatel, we have wine, and we have the spirits.
呢度仲有葡國雙寶馬德拉不死之酒。酒莊嘅主人仲解釋點解支酒本身係 brandy， 點解佢哋本地唔叫 brandy 呢個酒名，而堅持用葡萄牙原名 Martha's Wines and Spirits A Garden Fnica Velha。佢話同法國干邑一樣，就係地膽印證嚟㗎。賣到英國個酒標都一定要用呢個原名，代表對釀酒傳統嘅尊重。道理就好簡單，唔係干邑區出產嘅酒唔準叫干邑。同樣道理，唔符合葡萄牙傳統工藝嘅都唔可以用呢個，所以就好似黐喺酒瓶上嘅出世紙，無論支酒去到邊，一睇就知佢係出自邊度。而家由酒莊嘅主人同我哋講解車間細節，認真聽。
And for the tiny bottles. The middle one, which is for muscatel, the tiny bottle of muscatel. It is the one we produce most, so we have a line just for it. But right on this point, it's covered because my colleagues they're going to have lunch soon, so it's not working. But We fill with nitrogen, then with wine, then we wash and dry, then we put label by label and the capsule and the box, and then the final robot. It makes the pallets. It will be receiving boxes from the 3 different.
So how many
lines.
years did the barrel was kept in there normally?
The barrels, we have barrels with more than 100 years. The barrels they are quite old.
Quite old.
Most of our barrels they are still in the other property, but we have some barrels.
再睇睇呢邊，個個都印住 Martha's， 係咪成個畫面都好震撼先？成行成列嘅 Martha's 橡木桶，好似士兵排序咁整齊。再望樓下成條全自動生產線，不鏽鋼管道同傳送帶連接住各個設備，灌裝一氣呵成，夠晒高科技。每個細節都體現酒莊嘅心思。簡單一支酒背後，原來有咁多學問同講究。轉個頭睇下窗邊，個幾支深色酒瓶好整齊，係柔和燈光同綠樹陪襯下，睇起身好舒服。睇完先知，波特酒風味來之不易。二氧化陳釀加橡木桶陳放，返到試酒區都聞到焦糖堅果香，好想飲啊！重頭戲，佢哋俾咗5個酒杯俾我哋試酒，有記錄點夠專業，試酒嘅專區真係好有格調啊！我哋而家可以睇睇出面嘅景色，呢度記錄住以前老一輩嘅葡萄牙人勞動嘅結晶，睇住窗外葡萄園被夕陽染成金紅色，微風一吹葡萄葉沙沙聲，連葉脈都清清楚楚。遠處嘅藍天白雲嘅好天氣，對比起身格外醒目。講到飲波特酒，飲少少對女性超友好，含嘅花青素多酚係天然美容成分，飯後飲仲幫消化添。靜靜地襯住呢片景細品，真係舒服到唔想喐。酒莊嘅主人同我哋講，呢度嘅葡萄園唔簡單，幾百年前當地人抌石擔泥喺河谷邊開墾出呢片梯田，代代傳落嚟㗎。你睇呢高低錯落嘅地形，朝早曬到下晝，陽光足到唔使講，日頭熱夜晚涼，啲葡萄好似嘆緊冷氣，慢慢變甜，釀出啲酒特別和味。佢仲話俾我知道，話裡面好多礦物元素，種出嘅葡萄帶住淡淡礦物香，正正係呢份獨特風土，先釀出夠甜夠香嘅好葡萄。獨特風土釀好酒，真係一方水土釀一方酒，呢種底蘊唔使多講。講真，呢度最動人嘅唔單止係酒，試酒區呢個角落有段古仔。舊時啲人試酒邊有咁嘆，擺幾張凳仔請人客坐低飲，以前邊度有位就逼張台，後尾先專程整個角落仔出嚟。而家嘅試酒區，成個環境令人更專注杯酒，由臨時室位到精心佈置，呢種進步就係學問，呢份學問就喺晒杯酒入面，係每款酒入面嘅風土味，係酒莊主人逐步講解時嘅嚴謹，係呢啲貼心家具帶嚟嘅舒服。冇大牌酒莊嘅架子，淨係有俾人安心嘅溫度，呢種貼心體驗真係好難得，嚟葡萄牙實唔會踩雷。臨走先發現，呢份套裝唔單止專業，仲藏住酒莊嘅用心。塑造專屬體驗唔係口號，係每啖酒、每句講解嘅誠意。嚟葡萄牙想飲得開心又識貨，嚟 Martha's 酒莊實唔會錯。佢哋帶你由土壤講透到杯底，揀酒唔使靠估。好啦，老友們，今次 Martha's 酒莊之旅就到呢度。睇返今次旅程真係好多驚喜，初入試酒區被暖光同葡萄園景驚豔，車間入面睇到佛教槽嘅石紋好有歷史感。試酒嘅時候焦糖香直入鼻腔，仲聽咗好多酒莊主人講咗好多梯田開墾嘅古仔。傾偈時，佢仲特登浸咗少少珍藏款俾我試，嗰種被重視嘅感覺真係好窩心。無論你係新手定酒鬼，呢度唔單止有數百年歷史沉澱，更有唔講價值嘅人情味，每樣都值得親身嚟感受。睇住鏡頭入面酒架上嘅 Martha's 標識，同遠處夕陽下嘅葡萄園剪影，呢個畫面真係會記好耐。記得收藏呢條攻略， 拎住攻略去，仲可以叫佢哋推介同款啊！提醒下大家，呢度唔係公開景點，唔能夠隨便入去睇㗎。如果你同我一樣想入去了解，記得要聯絡我哋啦。來葡萄牙一定要 mark 低呢個打卡點，葡萄牙第2大城市波爾圖，開車去到羅河谷嘅馬莎酒莊大概1小時10分鐘左右就到啦。留言區等你講下你最想試嘅酒款，下次再帶大家探更多寶藏地方。我哋下次見，拜拜。